How hepatitis A ends up in frozen berries? You might think frozen fruit is completely safe, but even in modern food systems, hepatitis A has been traced to frozen berries. How does that happen? Hepatitis A is a virus spread through the fecal-oral route. Contamination occurs when infected individuals handle food without proper hygiene. During harvesting or sorting, a single infected worker can unknowingly contaminate hundreds of kilos of fruit. In many farms, especially seasonal or migrant-based operations, toilets, hand-washing stations, or health checks may be limited. Adding low vaccination coverage, the risk of contamination increases sharply. Because berries are often eaten raw or only lightly processed, any virus on them can survive through freezing. Cold doesn't kill hepatitis A. So when consumers later use these berries in smoothies, desserts, or toppings, infection can occur even months later. Past outbreaks in the USA, Europe, and Asia show this risk is global, not limited to developing regions. Prevention relies on strict hygiene at harvest, clean water for washing, worker health checks, and where possible, heat treatment or pasteurization before freezing. Freezing preserves the fruit, but unfortunately, it can also preserve the virus.